Introducing the Galaxy Z Flip 5. In my opinion, this is Samsung's best flip yet. After years of making screens for Oppo and other foldable brands, Samsung is pushing the envelope and I'm here for it. It's also worth to note that this device has some flaws with the battery performance and temperature. Despite these drawbacks, the device is priced at $1,000, which makes me wonder, is this device worth the money? Let's dive in and find out. Every unboxing feels like a mini tech adventure. Even though I get to unbox a lot of devices, unboxing my first flip feels amazing. The accessories look standard, you get a charging cable only, and wow, this device looks really good, it folds well. Design-wise, the Flip 5 is a marvel. For the build quality, we've got an ultra-thin glass when opened, a glass back fortified with Gorilla Glass Victus Plus, an armor aluminum frame, boosting better drop and scratch resistance. Flip 5 still has IPX8 rating, which means you can submerge this device in water for 30 minutes without any problem. Although this device still doesn't have dust resistance. For the display, front and center, we've got a foldable dynamic AMOLED 2X, and it's not just your ordinary screen. We're talking a refresh rate of 120Hz coupled with HDR10+, supports peak brightness up to 1200 nits. The main display stretches to 6.7 inches with a resolution of 1080 by 2640 pixels. Now for the flex window, the Z Flip 5 has a 3.4 60Hz AMOLED screen, fortified by Gorilla Glass Victus Plus. When you put this side to side with the Flip 5, which was 1.9 inches, it's evident Samsung has delivered not just with an upgrade, but a leap forward. Diving into the brain of these gadgets, which runs on Android 13 One UI 5.1, that's complemented by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipsets. If those numbers sound technical, just know that this is strong, smooth, and it can handle anything. Gaming, streaming, name it. In my test, this device scored 900K on Antutu. Clearly, it's not just about the looks with the Flip 5. There's some muscle under the hood. Memory-wise, option varies from 256, 512, and they all come with 8GB RAM. The battery is the heart of every device. The Flip 5 is powered by a 3700 mAh battery. On paper, Samsung promises 57 hours listening time and 20 hours watch time. During my test, it took 1 hour 20 minutes to charge from 0 to 100. I got 5 hours battery with heavy usage while using 5G and 12 to 16 hours with 4G and light usage. I also noticed while doing normal tasks like streaming videos, music, or even uploading files with 5G that this device gets warm very quickly. For game tests, again, the chipset is really great. No lag, it's responsive, you have immersive video, you can play HDR and extreme frame rate with PUBG. So I gamed for over an hour, it was smooth, no lag, although the device heated up a little but nothing alarming, and there was minimal battery drain. For camera, the main camera, which is a dual camera setup of 12 megapixel wide and 12 megapixel ultra wide. They offer clear photos whether you're capturing with the main camera or the selfie camera. And speaking of selfies, the front camera boasts a 10 megapixel sensor, which is not as clear as the main camera, but it delivers good photos. For video recording, you get 4K 60 frames per second from the main camera and even from the selfie camera. In my test, both the primary and the ultra-wide lens delivered vibrant and sharp images even in challenging lightings. I tested the flex window camera at night. What stood out immediately for me was the level of detail it retained. The way it handled noise, far less grainy than what we've seen in other foldables. For the pros and cons, let's start with the pro. This device is beautiful and strong. It comes with alloy aluminum and Gorilla Glass. You also get an amazing foldable OLED screen with 120Hz refresh rate, and you get the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2. You get a 3.4 inches cover screen, 5G network, and 4K video recording. For the cons, I know no device is perfect, but here's why I think Samsung would have done better. The first one is the battery, 3700 mAh. I feel like it's decent, but we've seen better batteries in other foldables. The second one is the phone heating up. This is a flagship device, we shouldn't be seeing this. The third one is the speakers. It could be better. As I said, flagship, we should get a better audio experience. Now the fourth is Face ID and fingerprint scanner. It fluctuates, sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't work. Samsung, do better. Now my conclusion, is this device valid for your money? I would say yes and no at the same time. Now, for the yes part, I think it has a lot working for it. I only think it's overpriced. Now, if you're someone that is already into foldables and you're thinking about upgrading to this device, it's perfect for you. Let's say you're already using the Fold 4 and you want to upgrade to the Fold 5. This is it. Now, if you're someone that's about to get your first foldable, I don't think it will be value for your money. Yes, the device is beautiful, but the battery and the temperature will just piss you off. So just stay off this device. Anyways, I hope you find this video helpful. Like and share, drop a comment, tell me what you think about my review and this device. And I'll see you guys in the next video.